scored 11. Ang kanilang second set score nung unang larong yon ay 5. So hopefully they will do better here in this set. Learning a bit also from what had happened in the first set.
If I'm not mistaken, that game against Creamline that they had in the first round was their third game, and it was a back-to-back after a game the day prior. So tignan natin, how things will pan out for the Lady Red Spikers. They've gone through a few other games as well.
The attack line.
So the Cool Smashers draw first blood here in set number 2. Gia Morado, pupuntahan si Michelle Gumabaw. Great dig by Justine Chu. Oliveros with a quick. Right serving. Morado will set up Pau Soriano. Makita mo talaga yung talagang veteran skills. The veteran team going up against a relatively young team. And a service ace for Gemma Galanza. We have to note that Creamline is a top serving team. Galanza will serve one more time. They go to Chu. Great dig by Atienza. Back to Phil. She'll try one more time. This time she gets it through. Loves Classics being aggressive on the attacks. Chu. Morado to Phil. Off the hands of Angeles. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Babalik sa Cool Smashers. Morado back set to Michelle Gumabaw.
You have a very good attacker who can convert into a point.
Makes her job so much easier when all your teammates can score a point at any given time. Here comes Chu. It's denied. Ball still with Chef's Classics. They power it through. Galanza, pupuntahan si Phil. Through the block. Single coverage is no good for Chef's Classics. We can't wait to hear this one. Go ahead, Rox.
Aminado si Coach Mesho Gavino ng Chef's Classics that this is indeed a David and Goliath matchup. Kaya naman more than a win, ang hinahanap niya is for his players to have open communication, for them not to be intimidated by the veterans.
Red Spikers, so far things not going well for them here in set number 2.
And not going well. Even their offense still here at the second set. Hinahanap pa rin nila set. And we expect that Creamline, of course, sila yung nagdidikta ng pace nitong larong ito. But still, we're hoping that Chef's Classics will find their way through.
And right on cue. Olivero serving. Morado will give it up to Phil. Viray back to Chu.
Oh, net violation, and Michelle.
Nahawakan talaga ni Michelle Gumabaw. So chance here for the Lady Red Spikers. Unfortunately, that is a violation called on Iris Oliveros ng Chef's Classics. They will be plagued with an error. And as you can see, 4 unforced errors already for Chef's Classics here in set number 2. Just 1 for Creamline. Justine Chu gets it through. But ball is kept alive. Viray. Great dig by Gia Morado. Chance here for the Lady Red Spikers. They will go to Chu. Finally using those blockers
right now.
Tama ka dyan, and Chef's Classics looking a little stressed. Parang yung energy na, youthful energy na sinasabi ni Rox, na pupunta dito sa Cool Smashers. And Michelle Gumabaw serving now with 4 points off 4 attacks. Great blocking by Risa Sato. Chu avoiding those blockers, picked up by Michelle. And a miscue on the part of Risa Sato. Serving, team captain of the Lady Red Spikers. Morado back set to Risa Sato. Ball is out. Morado to Phil Cayetano. He is watching the game. Viray will try. Napol ni Phil. Nobody there for the Cool Smashers. Set number 1, they're keeping it relatively close, fighting a little bit more here in this set, talking about Chef's Classics.
And it helps also that we're seeing some errors on the part of Creamline. May konting gigil na rin yung kanilang laro because they haven't won a game. Siyempre, gutom na itong mga players na to na makakuha ng panalo.
And they've had a couple of, close games here in the tournament, as we just saw a joust. The net. Soriano rather, gives it to Gemma Galanza. Great dig by Angeles. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Back set to Pau Soriano. Off the hands of Angeles. Viray gets it through. 8 attack points currently for the Cool Smashers. Just 3 for the Lady Red Spikers. Gemma Galanza. Nandoon si Viray. Ibigay kay Chu from the back row. Morado back set to Pau Soriano. There she goes again. 2 straight points for Soriano.
It's not all about the strength of her offense, pero yung bilis ng pagland on the floor.
This time, Gemma pushes it through. Viray off the block. Badly, they want to perform well here in this game.
She's been quiet in the first set, so it's good to see her come to life.
She's also one of the main offensive, options for the Lady Red Spikers. Lady Luck right now on the side of Lady Red Spikers. Galanza picked up by Chu. Galanza again. Drop ball is no good. Back to Galanza, who tries again. Point will go to the Lady Red Spikers, keeping it very close.
And here in this set, picking up a lot of those attacks from the girls in pink.
Credit that to Angeles.
And we hope that they will use it to their advantage. Dahil in the first set, they were a bit challenged. Pero ngayon, nakikita natin more and more.
She is actually... Pero itong Lady Red Spikers, they are continuing to fight it out versus the girls in pink. 2 service aces for Creamline and just 1 for Chef's Classics. Oliveros. Cuevas. There's a denial there. Here comes Viray. So a much, aggressive Lady Red Spikers team we are seeing here in set number 2.
Lanza.
Gia Morado currently with 21 excellent sets here in this game. And yun na nga ulit yung nangyari with a little help from the net for Justine Chu. Pati siya hindi makapaniwala. Ang ating score. Angeles really just defending, doing that defense here for Chef's Classics. Morado to Pau Soriano. Justine Chu is denied with the help of her elbow. Nakalusot ang bola. Michelle Gumabao is blocked. Cuevas to Oliveros. No go. Point for Creamline.
An ask is to hit the ball.
Chu. Phil Cayetano. She is feeling it today. The hard trainings of Coach Tai. Great hustle by Creamline, keeping that ball alive. They go to Phil. Justine Chu straight to the net. Oliveros with a quick. Gia Morado back set to Michelle Gumabao. And a point for Chef's Classics. And Lapid will serve for the girls in white. Galanza, Morado, they go back to Michelle. That is in.
Need to face. They get good first ball. It's really the conversion of points when it's being set to the attackers.
And of course, sabi nga natin, we gotta commend also Angeles. Gemma, iba talaga mag-train si Coach Tay. And that's very apparent, especially here in this season, na grabe yung dinakas ni Gemma Galanza. And fight and get well soon, my idol, Eliza Valdez. We love you. Yes, and we are all praying right now for Eliza's speedy recovery.
Meantime, of course, we are checking out this match. Tama sila, no? And what's nice about these conferences that we watch, nakikita natin yung progress. Though, of course, these are seasoned players already.
Galanza to Morado. To Risa Sato with a quick, but buhay pa rin ang bola. Morado will go to Risa once again, and that was, she's known for her quick attacks, and this time she puts her team. Negrito, back set to Heather Ginoo. And these two Lady Tamaras off the bench contributing. Magbabalik po ang PVL 2019.